day, Hiccup and his mommy were walking through the woods, and Hiccup was holding his mommy's hand, and his mommy said, "Hiccup, hold mommy's hand all the time, okay?" "Why?" "Because I don't want you to get lost, honey." "Why?" "Because I love you." "Okay." And Hiccup said, "Mommy, look, the flowers." "Yes, baby, I see." And Hiccup was holding his mommy's hand the whole time, and then he saw something in the distance, and he ran off, and his mommy didn't notice. But then when she did notice, she said, "Hiccup, Hiccup, where are you? Hiccup, oh no, my baby. Hiccup, Hiccup, where are you?" His mother called out for his name, but she couldn't find him anywhere. She started to get worried. And Hiccup was walking through the woods, and he said, "Mommy, did you see that? Mommy?" And when Hiccup noticed that he was lost, he said, "Mommy, where are you? Mommy? Oh, my mommy." But then Hiccup found his mommy and said, "Mommy." "Oh, Hiccup, I was worried about you. Are you okay?" "Yeah, I just wandered off." "Hiccup, you know the rules. That's a no-no, honey." "But Mommy." "Hiccup, I just say those things for your safety, my sweet boy." "But Mom." "Shh. It's okay. It's okay, Hiccup. Mommy's here now. Mommy won't leave you." And when they got home, Hiccup's mother was making dinner when Hiccup said, "Mommy, I'm hungry." "Well, don't worry, sweetie. Dinner is almost ready." Yummy. Hiccup, what's wrong, baby boy?" "Oh, I didn't like getting lost." "I know, honey. I didn't like it when you got lost either. Just promise Mommy that you'll stay by her." "Okay, Mommy. Alright. Finish your dinner before it gets cold, okay?" "Okay." "Did you enjoy your dinner, Hiccup?" "Uh-huh." "Okay." "Aw, thank you, honey." "You're welcome." Mommy? Yeah? Is it time for my bath now?" "Yes, baby, you gotta get clean." "Why?" "Because you have to, sweetie." And then while Hiccup's mother was giving him a bath, she accidentally spilled soap into Hiccup's eyes. And Hiccup said, "Mommy, it hurts." "Shh, shh, shh. It's okay, baby. I'm gonna get it out." And when she was done giving Hiccup a bath, she said, "Alright, baby, let's get you into your PJs. Okay, there we go." Mommy. "Yeah? I love you. I love you too, sweetie. With all my heart." "Mom? Can I stay up all night?" "No, sweetie, you can't stay up all night." "Why?" "Because it's not healthy for you, honey." "Okay." "Why not?" "Because it's not." "Oh." And then Toothless came over and said, "Oh, Hiccup, are you ready for bed?" "I want to stay with Mommy." "Don't worry, Hiccup. Everything will be okay. You're not lost anymore. You're with Mommy and Daddy." "Okay." And then Toothless took Hiccup to bed, and he put the little boy down on the soft bed, and then the dragon wrapped the blanket around the little boy and said, "Good night, Hiccup. I love you." "Good night, Daddy. Good night, Mommy." And then Hiccup's mommy came into the room and said, "Hiccup, Yes, Mommy? I love you, sweetheart. I love you too, Mommy. And then Hiccup climbed on top of his mommy and wrapped his little arms around her and said, Mommy is the best mommy in the world. Mama. Mama. I love you too, my little Hiccup. My baby Hiccup. And then Hiccup eventually fell asleep in his mother's bed, and his mother smiled and said, Alright, if you want to stay with Mommy tonight, you can. Yay! Mommy. Mommy. My sweet Hiccup. Please don't get lost again, my sweet boy. If I ever lost you, I don't know what I would do. My baby boy. My sweet boy. My little boy. Yes, you are. Who's Mommy's baby boy? Me. The end.